Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Roblox Not Authorized to Join this experience error. First, a simple restart of the Roblox application can often clear up minor issues. Always confirm your internet connection is stable, perhaps by checking other websites or apps. Additionally, double-check that the experience itself is currently available to the public and not set to private, which could prevent you from joining. This initial check saves a lot of time. Next, let's look deeper into your client and network. Clearing your Roblox browser cache and temporary internet files can remove corrupted data causing issues. It is important to check if your firewall or antivirus programs are mistakenly blocking Roblox. You might need to add an exception. For persistent network problems, flushing your DNS cache can sometimes resolve connectivity errors by refreshing your network settings. These steps are crucial for many users. Your account settings might be the culprit. Always double-check that you are logged into the correct Roblox account, as joining an experience sometimes requires specific permissions tied to your profile. Review any parental control settings that might be limiting access to certain experiences or content. Furthermore, confirm your account has not been suspended or banned, as this would naturally prevent you from joining any game. A quick review here is essential. Sometimes the issue lies with your device or system. Make sure your operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated, as outdated software can cause compatibility problems. If all else fails, a complete reinstallation of Roblox can often fix corrupted game files or installation errors. Also, try joining a very simple, popular Roblox experience to see if the problem is specific to one game or across the platform. This helps narrow down the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.